Welcome to Elastio Data Resilience Platform. I'm Eswar Nalamaru, and in this short video, we'll walk through how to deploy Elastio in AWS and how to set up your policies in AWS Backup so that Elastio scans and ensures that your backups are recoverable from a ransomware attack. Let's get started. Log into your AWS console. We recommend to have admin access while deploying Elastio to have smoother deployment without any issues. Go to AWS Marketplace, manage subscriptions, discover products, and search for Elastio. You should click on Elastio Data Resilience Platform on AWS. And here you can see that Elastio offers a free trial. Click on Try for free. Click on Subscribe to free trial and set up your account. This should take you to an Elastio page here. Click on Sign Up. Enter an email address. Set a password. So this would take you to a tenant creation page. Click on Create a Tenant. Here you can either choose the default tenant name or you can enter your preferred tenant name. I'm going with the default here. Click on agreeing the terms and condition and create a tenant. It will take a few minutes to create the tenant. Once the tenant is created, you'll be taken to Elastio onboarding page. Here, click on Get Started and enter the AWS account ID in which you want to deploy Elastio to. Once you enter the account ID, here you can see a button for deploying the CloudFormation stack. You can choose the region in which you want to deploy Elastio. I'm leaving default here and click on Deploy the CloudFormation stack. This CloudFormation stack, you can leave everything default and acknowledge that you're creating some IAM resources with custom names and click on Create Stack. After deploying CloudFormation template, come back to Elastio console and choose the regions, the VPCs, and subnets where you want to deploy Elastio's cloud connectors. If you're choosing private subnets, please refer to Elastio's documentation. Then I would click on Deploy. That finishes the deployment of Elastio. Now, let's get back to setting up policies in AWS Backup to scan AWS Backup recovery points. Log into your AWS console and go to AWS Backup. In the AWS Backup, go to Backup Plans. Elastio seamlessly integrates with AWS Backup, so you don't have to set up any policies in Elastio console to protect your AWS Backup recovery points. You can choose a backup plan and its protected resources and scan them as the backups are happening. You can choose an existing backup plan or create a new plan. I'm just going with an existing plan here. Choose a backup rule and edit. At the bottom, you have an option to tag the recovery points. Here I'm entering Elastio:action equal to scan and hit save. That's it. Now, all the recovery points which are created by this backup plan are automatically scanned with Elastio. Thanks for watching the video, and if you have any questions, reach out to sales@elastio.com.